Hi guys, bonjour, namaste and welcome back to my channel LakyStar, and my name is Lakshmi. In the previous video, we learned the French alphabets, and in today's video, we'll be learning the French numbers from 1 to 20. So without any further ado, let's get learning. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's repeat it one more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now please remember the number 7 is pronounced as set and not set. The P here is silent. Now let's move on to the numbers from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 1. Let's repeat it one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 1. So here there are two things which I would like to highlight in the numbers from 11 to 20. One is that the numbers from 11 to 16 have ZE as their endings, and the number 17 is the addition of number 10 and number 7, which is DZ. Number 18 is the addition of 10 and 8, which is DZ. Number 19 is the addition of 10 and 9, which is DNF. I hope you've got that hint. Also remember one more important thing. Please do not move on to 11 to 20 unless you are completely clear and thorough with your numbers from 1 to 10. So that's all for today's video. In our next video, we'll be coming up with the numbers from 21 onwards. So if you've liked this video, please do not forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get more updates on my video. Until next time, it's au revoir, tata and goodbye.